Hi, this is Ms. Boyd, and I'm going to give you a tutorial on how you can log on to Epic for the very first time, as well as showing you a couple of features that will make your reading experience very easy. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to log on to getepic.com/students, as you can see that I've highlighted in the URL. And then from there, you're going to enter in the class code. By this time, either your classroom teacher or myself should have given you that classroom code. Once you enter in your classroom code, then your page is going to look like this. What you need to do is scroll down to your name and click on its icon. So in this case, I'm using the name Cadence S. So I'm going to scroll down to the case and find Cadence, and here's Cadence S. And I'm just going to click on the icon. And once I click on that icon, I've now loaded onto the website. So this is an example of when you log on to Epic and you see a message from myself or from your teacher. In this case, I have a message, and it shows that I have sent you a book. It's by about Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, who is one of our congressmen. And this is a book that you can actually check out and read right now. So whenever you log on and whenever either your teacher or myself have sent you a book or either a collection of books that we think would be great for you to read, it will automatically pop up on your login screen. And let's say you don't want to look at this right now. That's fine. You can X out of it. And you can also go into your mailbox and you can easily find those materials that either myself or your teacher has sent to you. So in this case, there's one book on Ocasio-Cortez, and then there's a collection of books, which is 32 in total, that are under the theme of social justice. But for right now, I want to take you through a brief tour of the actual site. So I've just clicked on Explore, and here is your main page. This top area where you see the different titles of the books and its cover art, these are the books that are oftentimes highlighted for certain reasons. Like this is Hispanic Heritage Month. So there's a lot of books that they've created in a lot of different categories and also collections that honor those that particular theme. Now, also too, there's like new books that you can find on Epic, and also they may feature a particular book. The thing is that you can click through this, decide what you want, and we're going to look at the new books on Epic and just click in it, and it will show me all the new books that have been loaded onto the site. And it's just a matter of you clicking on the cover of the book and you can begin reading. So we're going to go back to Explore again. And as we go down the page, there's different categories. Of course, new releases. There's popular book series, which I think you're really going to like. Those of you who are into the Nate series or Diary of a Wimpy Kid, for example, Amelie, some of the popular comic and also graphic novel series, you will find them here. Some of them are also top picks by the curators or librarians that work within Epic. Um, if you have a younger brother or sister, encourage your parent to contact me because I can sign them up for Epic easily under their own name. And once they're set up under Epic, then they can access books that they can read. But here's the nice add-on plus is that if you ever see a book that has a green icon at the bottom that says read to me, then that means that book will actually be read to the younger child. So, you have a younger brother or sister that really needs some support in reading, this is a great place where you can find those type of books. Now, because I'm doing a tutorial video and I have several windows open, the narration is not working right now. But when you open this up on your own, you will be able to listen to the story or the text, and you can read along as it's being read to you. Comics, award winners, and honors. And I'll tell you this, from week to week, these sections always change. So it's a good thing to always just go down the entire list and see what's new, what's been curated and put together for you. And these books are, of course, across the curriculum. Now, here are a couple of other little pluses for you. Under the Explore tab, if you're looking for something in particular, you can also click in the search box and you can do another type of search this way. It's broken down into topics, also into content areas. So let's say you are a math whiz and you want to read nothing books about math. Well, here it is. There are several books that are under this particular heading. So if you're looking into books about coding, there's a lot of books about coding here. Only thing you have to do is hit show more. More books will appear for you. And of course, to go back, you just hit the back button and you can go back to what you were into previously. We talked about the Read to Me books. There's also videos. Some of them, there's not a lot of them on the site, but the majority of them are always tied into some aspect of the curriculum and lessons that you are learning. And some of them are a lot of fun. I've looked at a couple of these, and they're pretty good, well done. They're anywhere between 2.5 to maybe 4.5 minutes in length. So the content goes across the board with the videos that are loaded on the site that you could check out. If you're into audiobooks, the audiobooks are really nice too. These books are also read to you as well. Oftentimes they have a little theatrical sound to them. Sometimes it's the actual author reading the book to you, which is a real nice plus. So it just depends on the title of the book. Some of them are going to be very popular titles, and some of them may be titles you're not familiar with. If you're looking for audiobooks, you always want to hit the icon for audiobooks up here and search from that point. Also, too, if you're in a general search, if you ever see a purple highlighted tab at the bottom of the book, that means it's an audiobook. Now, in my library at the top here, if you have any particular books or if you've earned any badges or anything, it's going to appear here. Your teachers can also send you quizzes that are assigned along with a book in this section as well. So this is essentially Epic Books. It's a really nice tool for you to use. I hope that you will make use of it and read at least 30 to 45 minutes a day, because if you do that, your reading comprehension, your vocabulary, your understanding of material, your fluency, it's just going to improve, and it's going to increase, and you're going to become a stronger reader, and you're going to become a much stronger student. Any questions, reach out to me. You know, I'm always here to help you. Thank you. Have a good one.